Pama collaboration, a lot of people they are asking naNisha, yeah. Muona ma comments machichichi angori nyaya dzingotaurika.
Okay, yeah. Inyaya itauro za sure, especially in comment section yangu, people were like, why aren't you ita song naNisha inoita hit. So bandati na management unaweza kutaura ichi na fans. I think we should do that. Give people what they want.
Yes.
So my manager got in touch with Nisha's team.
Okay.
We talked to akataura na Mr. Mtari, so like it's fine. Vatapiwa namba za producer Jamal. Shikanzi taura na producer mo organize it, when are you going to do that?
Okay.
So tataura na Jamal wakati mnaya Friday na 9 o'clock. But it's okay. Friday by 8 o'clock tam but that katifonele Mkoma na titichi takuya tafona iskudero. But that let's go since titichi zapa patrikwenda. But ashika pa 9 maxen. But avunza pa gate tawa sore kudo nza Jamal hapo. But pana assistant producer Like. Okay. You can actually go to studio. Mweta say, mono mbona like makamera jamu. Tikata no, ango no is coming. So we went to studio. We met Like, but staji. So naNisha, we paid the money. We record the recording fee. We paid everything. So Like vata. Pano titimilire munu. Gati fano ite scratch. Fano ita something. So vata gadzira beat from scratch. Pandatenga to nyora song bebe. Na nyora. Mind you, this was 9 o'clock. 10, 11, 12. Wanda the song Jamaa kasi ya kuma tutu taka mera since 9 o'clock au ya Jamaa mvati song ya maimba yakadako haite
like bluntly.
Yes, kanda song yenya isquit. Yeah. Bandata no it's okay, but wongo yana 9 watu udza izozo taita se ta batsirika. Bandata no it's okay, kana isiri kuterega ndite se titangidze ndobvati ndakumbenda lunch apa asikana tu bata kwenda kulunch.
Arudila ne superstar.
No, this is superstar song, but ndengo expect uti ango tibato zvinenge zvakati nake.
You feel like you're not treated
so aenda kulunch tikabata.
It's not a feeling. I think you were not treated well.
Yeah, something like that. But atombokumbira kuti no, since we were park kuno lunch Nisha wacho ngaite se gawe mu studio tifano inina artist team artist kuziya kuti toita song yakaita se to vibe tonyora zvipi toita se ana kunzwa mu studio that time. So ameno zvakava zvatongo takabva tangoti tikatienda tozodzoka rimwe day. So fast forward, young German had a birthday. So she called me, yaMandy, I'm having a birthday, I want you to come off. So Vanada, no, it's okay. So I went there with my friend, and then Nisha was there. Vandatomona vatomhanyira Nisha zvirisechi ukubuditsa chi mangomari Nisha kutondudza ndikubuditsa next week Tuesday chichi vandati atambo takamirira chi kunza mangoma. So tatiri mumba, and then my piece avanaenda panze nogara.
So mutori tu everything was speedy sport.
Yeah, everything was okay. And then we went separate ways. So I went outside, vananogara pa poolside. And vabuda panze. So vandatosumuka pana ndakagara ndichitoimba song yake ndichienda kwaari. Kuti ndichiradza kumufarira. So mumba vanhu vaitamba ina ndakagara pa couch. Ndinchivibe ndakachila zvangu chivamwe vachitamba vadidi. So nane friend yangu aitamba stereki. So Nisha vata Mandy shamwari yako ndi anofanira kuti artist akangwara iwo wakapusa. Ndinisha straight to my face. Ndozo akatondudza kuti Mandy iwo wakapusa. Ipapa ndokwanisa kupindira because like tiri papati ndatanga kumona for the first time and ndinauda kureita because handizeti anorekta se but ndangoti no, it's okay, but I felt really offended kuti why would she say kuti ndakapusa.
Yeah, she insulted you.
Yeah, I felt really offended. So ndichibva ndabatanidza nezvanga zvaitika zvestudio kuti vakabva ramba collab. So I don't know, inini personally song naye ndikutoida because I think it's
even
necessary.
After zvese zvaitika.
Yes, but I feel like she must apologize first. I really feel like she owes me an apology because haungoudze munhu kuti wakapusa. So akauya akapologize, we do the song. But if he's not humble enough kunduti Mandy sorry, I don't think the song will ever come out.
I think it's good to this is all on record and panapa panotarwa under oath because but I think if Nisha T is watching, she can either apologize or apology actually in a explanation mukati, or she can also respond. But I think there's still room to make way because I think Nisha makasangana ku Chegutu. You're going to do this song.
Yeah, I think so too. So.
But niona mukazosangana kuma-studios manje kunenge kune ma-management nechi I think panozoitawo kakuretana
not really like I don't think Mr. Mtarisi is aware of what happened that day because takazoreceiva messages vachitoda kuti ini naye tiite song vakatozoya vakati can we do Mandy naNisha ndopandakanoti mukuru ava vasi kuziva zvikuitika behind doors kumastudio avo kuti takatouya isusu tikanyimwa song taida kutoita song takatouya tikatoswera takagarira vanhu producer akauya kuma2 akati akuenda kulunch saka I don't think Mr. Mtarisi is aware of what's happening behind closed doors.
Did you get a refund then?
No, hatina kupiwa refund but what I was thinking was song yacho yoga ndichanoita nemumwe munhu kuisa mumwe munhu or kuisa vamwe vanhu pasong ikunashikoko. Yeah, I don't think that's a problem because I paid.
Yeah, I'm very sorry for what you went through. Those men zvinoitika mumedia. Asi I'm glad kuti amuzvite bottle up.
Yes.
You get what I mean? Yes. And there's still room for reconciliation if there was now a rift between you two guys. Yeah, I don't say the way I thought Tinashe Mtarisi, I don't think he even knows about it.
Yeah, I don't
but
think
I think
he
by
knows.
the time I know video, he's so one couch that promise and I would change it. And I but change. So I'm very happy Saka and he's a good person.
Yeah.
Saka, I think you work on that. But anyway.